Where there's smoke, there's infinite ammo.
Lamp oil, rope,
Infinite ammo.
bombs,
Infinite
lamp oil, rope.
ammo.
You want?
Infinite ammo.
It's yours, my friend, as long as you have enough.
Balls of steel.
How about a kiss for luck?
You!
Squadala, we are...
Infinite ammo.
Wow! What are all those heads? These are the...
Balls of steel.
You must conquer each.
You!
Here is the map. Where do you wish to go?
To Gamelon,
I can't wait to bomb...
Zelda,
You want bombs? It's yours, my friend, as long as you have.
Infinite ammo.
It is written...
Mama Luigi got
Infinite ammo.
Great! I'll grab my...
Bombs?
There is no time. Your...
balls.
is enough. Squadala, we are off. What are all those...
Balls.
These are the...
Balls.
of Ganon.
Tell Yoshi bedtime story now. Tell how Luigi finds
Lots of spaghetti!
Okay. Well, it all started when Mario and I came to
The Mushroom Kingdom.
for a vacation.
Nice of the princess to invite us over for a picnic, eh, Luigi?
I hope she made lots of spaghetti!
Luigi, look! It's
Lots of spaghetti!
You must die!
I'm a coming, Luigi. Mama Luigi
Must die!
I've got balls of steel.
you've saved me.
Here's the traitor, your majesty.
After you've scrubbed all the
Balls of
Hyrule, then we can talk about...
infinite ammo.
The king? Yes, my liege. Squadala, we are off. Wow.
Look! It's
Mario.
Dear Link. If you need infinite ammo.
You may lick my fingers.
Great.